Okay, this is the picture that we will be using pencil crayons to fill in. So we will be using black and white. So it's sort of going to be how we colored the crayon and with pencil and with a pencil. So hopefully we get it the same shape, but it'll be more detailed. Okay, so let's start off with the body. I'm hoping we'd be able to get more detail in putting in all of the normal kind of color right here in the front, and the dark on the back of the head, and then dark right in the eyes, and then keep it very light in the mouth area. And then how I explained last time about like different levels of using dark for the body, we will be doing that as well. So basically splitting this in half in parts. So one part would be light and the second part would be darker. Okay, so and that would be the same case as the abs as well and the ribs as well, but we would be using a different colors, like different tone. Okay, so and in the shoulders we are going to be splitting them in 3 parts, just like we did using the crayons. We will be doing a light, a medium, and not too dark shoulder, and the biceps would be light and pretty dark in the back, and the cape will be a dark black. Not for sure, at least I'm hoping I'd be able to get a decent colored black without it being too scratchy. Okay, so and the scenery, I know I would be able to get much more detail out of it for the background. So that's good. We will be doing this. Okay, and the white, like I said, like we did in the previous one, just use it mainly for the moon, and then color any empty white spots that we will be having. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the coloring video. And and always remember, keep it simple. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and possibly leave a comment if you want to.